We're headed towards the contact mine. Don't have much information on it. We're just out here wandering around Joshua Tree and decided to come check this out. At the trailhead, the kiosk, there's no information on this mine. Thought we just had a coyote, but it could have been a jackrabbit. You can see there's a road on that side. Goes straight up to a little notch right there. It was pretty steep. Christina and Susan are going to stay behind. I'm going to go right up on that ridge, right that little trail right there, and see what we can find. That was my bad. Didn't do any research on this, but we're outside. That's all that matters. We've passed one mine shaft back there where Christina and Susan are, but it's been filled in. Trying out a new app. It says I've gone 55 miles so far, which is cool, but actually we've only gone like 2. As you can tell, we've gone pretty far up this valley. We got Christina and Susan. They're right there in the middle of the screen on the trail. I'm just going to go up a little bit farther. Search. We didn't really have any plans on doing Joshua Tree. Place we were gonna go today was closed. Okay guys, I'm officially headed to the mine. Hiked back down to where Susan and Christina are, and Susan told me to go, so I'm going. So I'm hiking this section. Yeah, so I'm gonna get to the mine, check it out. Sorry for being out of breath, but I just went up this and down, and now I'm going back up it. But okay guys, that's it right there. I'm almost there. I'm now. Hey, you can almost see Heart Rock from here. Finding debris, glass, found some tin cans, look, a Karen. Oops, you guys didn't see that, did you? Okay guys, the last little scramble to the mine. I will see what information I can find, and I will put it in the description. Here it is. Contact mine. Okay guys, I'm just outside the mine. This is a tailing pile Look, we got a compressor down there, some oil drums, a rim from an old car. Here's one of the shafts. Can't really see down in there, but they've got it all caged off. We got a big, looks like a big winch up there. Some debris. Check this thing out. Looks like a 8-cylinder. Maybe a 4-cylinder. Let's see. Yeah, 4-cylinder. Looks like it might have been a truck at one time that they just stripped down. I'm not sure what this is, but some kind of pulley. I think the mine shaft was right here that they've caved in. And look, we got another shaft right here. Oh, if I wanted to, I could easily get into this. I just don't know how I'd get down there. I don't know if you guys can see down there, but it doesn't go that far. You can definitely tell there's been people down there. Here's one of the other shafts. It looks like they caved it in. Here's another one. Doesn't go down that far. I don't know if you guys can see that too well, but yeah, it doesn't go down there too far. But it's pretty vertical. You definitely need ropes. But it's a pretty cool hike. I think Susan and Christina could make it. It wasn't that hard. Yeah, like I said before, I'll find some information on this place and put it in the description. It's pretty cool. Still has some of the tracks. Oh yeah. Nice little winch. It's pretty cool.